everybody. We are in the reading writing section of grade 10 compulsory English. This is not reading, it is writing. And we have discussed on unit number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Today let's move towards unit number 5. Let's see what writing is given there. Let's see, unit number 5, writing 1. It is about writing instruction. How to write instruction. Let's see. This task concentrates on writing stepwise instructions to draw a jellyfish. Question is to draw a jellyfish. Objectives of this writing are to write stepwise instructions to draw a jellyfish. Then procedures for writing instructions. How to write instructions. How do we write instructions? Let's see some of the procedures. If we understand this procedure, then we can write these instructions in very easy way. Let's see. Ask students if they have seen the jellyfish. Better show a picture or a video clip of jellyfish. First of all, students should know shape and size, color, everything about jellyfish. This is way of teaching how to write instructions. B number, call them to share their understanding related to the jellyfish, its shape and size. If someone is known about jellyfish, then call them to share their understanding. Color, shape, size, like this. C number, suggest them to read the given instruction carefully and pay attention to the things to be included. Then teacher will provide some sample of instructions. D number, demonstrate one or two instructions based on the given pictures and words phrases. For example, first of all, take your pencil and draw a large circle in the middle of your paper. This circle will be the main body or umbrella of your jellyfish. Then extend long, somewhat straight lines downwards from the bottom of the circle. These will become the jellyfish's tentacles. Make them a bit irregular or semi-straight to give the jellyfish a natural and creaky appearance. Then E number, ask students to make stepwise instructions orally. Correct them if they missed. Finally, ask students to the tasks either as a classwork or homework. Here is a sample of writing instruction. Let's see. First of all, take your pencil and draw a large circle in the middle of your paper. This circle will be the main body or umbrella of your jellyfish. Then extend long, somewhat straight lines downward from the bottom of the circle. It is in point. These will become a jellyfish tentacles. Make them a bit irregular or semi-straight to give the jellyfish a natural and cracky appearance. On top of the circle, draw several curved lines radiating outward. These lines will add a flowing look to your jellyfish. Within the central circle, draw a smaller circle slightly above the center. This smaller circle will be a distinctive detail on the jellyfish body. 5 number. Draw a few more circles of different sizes on the jellyfish umbrella or big circle, both above and below the center. These circles will contribute to the overall texture of your jellyfish. Finally, take a moment to review your drawing and make any necessary adjustments. In this way, we can write the instructions. This instruction is related to drawing picture of jellyfish. Then let's go to writing second. Writing second is related to writing complaint letter. Complaint letter. This task is related to writing a complaint letter. Objectives. Objectives of teaching this lesson to students. Let's see. To write a letter of complaint to the editor of a national daily complaining about the shortage of water in Kathmandu. On the completion of this teaching writing, students will be able to write complaint letter showing the scarcity of water in Kathmandu or shortage of water in Kathmandu. Let's see the procedures of writing complaint letter, how we write complaint letter, how we start. Ask students to read the given example. Based on the reading of task A, ask students to infer the components of a complaint letter. One sample is given in book, then reading that sample, ask students to infer the components of a complaint letter. Discuss the components and format of writing a complaint letter in detail. Address the date, address to the recipient, salutations or greeting, body with introduction, details of the problems and request for solution, closing remarks and salutations with a signature. These are the main components of writing complaint letter. Again, let's see. Address. First of all, we write address of writer, then date, then address to the Recipient means to the manager. Then salutation, dear sir, ma'am. Then body with introduction, we write introduction. Then body parts, details. Then in details also problems. Then some of the solutions, recommendations. Then closing marks with salutation, sincerely, you're lovely, with a signature line. In this way, with these components, we write complaint letter. Now, ask them to do task B as an individual home assignment. Let's see sample of writing complaint letter. Tanahu, Kathmandu, that is address. November 25, 2023, that is date. The chairperson means salutation. It is writing to the chairperson, Chandragiri Municipality, Kathmandu. Subject: urgent complaint regarding unmanaged garbage in our locality. Again salutation. Dear sir, I am writing to bring to your attention a matter of significant concern that has been affecting the well-being and safety of residents in our locality. The issue of unmanaged garbage. I am a resident of Chandragiri municipality and have observed a threatening increase of waste in various areas. The unmanaged waste has resulted in various public health hazards and impacted the overall quality of life in our community. The uncontrolled disposal of garbage has led to several hazards that demand immediate attention. Some of the key concerns include health risks. The unmanaged garbage has become a breeding ground for pests, insects, and rats, posing a direct threat to public health. The potential spread of disease and infections is a significant worry for all residents. Environmental impact. The improper disposal of waste has adverse effects on our local environment. It contaminates soil and water resources, affecting the flora and fauna in the vicinity. Odor and nonsense. The sting coming from the accumulated waste is not only unpleasant but also affects the quality of air in the vicinity. This poses a significant nuisance to residents and visitors alike. To address this pressing issue, I would like to suggest the following measures. Regular garbage collection. Implement a more frequent and efficient garbage collection system to ensure that waste is promptly and systematically removed from residential areas. Public awareness campaign. Launch campaigns to educate residents about the importance of responsible waste disposal, recycling, and the adverse effects of littering. Enforcement of regulations. strengthen the enforcement of existing regulations related to waste management, and impose penalties for improper disposal. Community cleanup initiatives. Organize periodic community cleanup drives involving residents, local businesses, and community groups to foster a sense of responsibility. Then, I believe that by taking swift and decisive action, we can address this issue and create a healthier and more livable environment for all residents. I look forward to seeing positive changes in the near future. Thank you for your time and consideration. Sincerely, Deepa Sapkota. In this way, we write complaint letter. It is about garbage management in Kathmandu, Chandragiri municipality. And first one is about writing instructions. Second one is complaint letter. This is all about the writing section of unit number 5, grade 10, compulsory English. Thank you. Thank you everybody. Please, if it is useful, share to your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching.